Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful in Notion: how to create a table in the 2025 version. If you're juggling tasks, notes, or projects, Notion's tables can make your life a whole lot easier. Let's dive right in. First off, make sure you're logged into your Notion account. Open a new page or head to an existing one where you want to add your table. Notion is all about flexibility, so this works on desktop, mobile, or web. Step 1. Look for the plus icon in the editor. This is your gateway to adding new elements. Click it, and from the drop-down menu, select Table. You'll see options for different table styles, like a simple grid or something more advanced. Step 2. Once you choose your table, a blank grid will appear. Start by clicking on the top row to add column headers. For example, if you're making a to-do list, label one as Task and another as Deadline. Step 3. To add rows, simply click the plus button at the bottom of the table or use the tab key. Fill in your data, type in descriptions, dates, or any details you need. Notion makes it intuitive, so you can edit on the fly. Now, for some pro tips. Right-click on a column header to add properties like tags, checkboxes, or even formulas. This turns your basic table into a powerful database. Don't forget to use the sort and filter options to organize your info quickly. It's a game changer for productivity. And there you have it. You've just created a table in Notion 2025. Experiment with it and watch how it streamlines your workflow. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.